Hello students, there is another chance for the internship, summer internship in this summer, which is an international internship, and it will be held at Max Planck Institutes. So the name of the internship is Max Planck Summer Internship Program. The Max Planck Summer Internship Program will give you many benefits. So let's see further what else they will give you. Well, we will see one by one the criteria and how to apply and last date and everything. So first of all, if you apply for these internship, you must know what the background you need. So basically you will be needing, since it's the Institute of Biochemistry, so you will be needing biology, like molecular biology, biophysics, neurobiology, and you will be able to join many labs which are here, like you can see Harvig, which is I will be reading the short forms because it's a bit difficult to read all the names. MPIN, MPIB. So in the same MPIB laboratory, you will be having different persons with whom you can work, or in whose labs you can work. So it's all MPIB and MPIN. So you can see there are many people who are accepting the internship fellows. The two institutes, the short form for MPIN and MPIB, are research groups of Max Planck Institute of Neurobiology and research group of the Max Planck Institute of Biochemistry. So if you are having any kind of queries, you can even write to them over the email maxsip@neuro.mpg.de. So as I said that there is an internship program, then that means this internship program is for all nationalities including Indian nationality. And as I already told you, the background that you need is biology, chemistry, bioinformatics, biophysics, neuroscience, and any other field which is related to this field. Like, you must not think like if you are not from biology, chemistry, or bioinformatics, then you cannot go. Just apply and have some patience. Maybe your luck will work. Okay, so don't restrict yourself based on the fields, just apply. Okay, so they are accepting students who are bachelor's second year or onwards, or master's student, and probably those who have completed their degree in 2021, or they will be completing their degrees by May or June 2021. So what you will get during the internship at this Max Planck Institute, you will be getting free student accommodation, stipend of approximately 800 euro per month, reimbursement of travel costs to and from Martinstreit near Munich. So Martinstreit is a place where these institutes are situated. So obviously you will be getting the travel cost to and from that nearest town or something like that. So the application platform is open since 1st January up to 15th February. So there are still 15 days, even more than 15 days to apply. So just do it fast, maybe today, tomorrow, or day after tomorrow. Okay, so do it fast. And you must know that the registration will close on 12th February. Okay, so there are two dates for registration. It will be closing on 12th February 2021, and up to 15th February you can complete your application form. Okay, now another thing is that what all documents you need to apply for this internship. Like, many students are like, oh, they are going for international internship, so I don't know what kind of documents they will be needing. So first of all, you must prepare your curriculum vitae, which is kind of resume kind of thing. So you must prepare in 1 or 2 pages. Then you must have a transcript. So transcript is basically like the mark sheet kind of thing nowadays. And your degree certificates, if you have completed your degree, or if you are in bachelor second year, then maybe the bachelor first year's mark sheet. will work for you, and the transcript, the temporary or provisional transcripts for degree programs. Okay, like you have not got your final degree, so you can get your provisional one. Then the document university studies, for example, like high school certificate or mark sheet, the 12th certificate or mark sheet. Okay, so these kind of documents you need. Then like all the documents which you need to apply in any Indian university, you need here also. Then after that, you need one letter of recommendation from one referee. Okay, so another thing is letter of motivation. Obviously, letter of motivation means why do you want to apply in this particular laboratory. Like I already told you that in this internship program, there are many labs or research groups in these two institutes which are accepting internship students. So you need to specify that why you are particularly want to join a particular research group in a particular institute. Okay, so you need to specify all those things, and how do you think that you are eligible for this, and how much interest do you have. Then they say that if an applicant's academic training was not in English or German, then you must clear IELTS exam or TOEFL exam. So it is not possible to clear IELTS or TOEFL in these 15 days. So obviously in India, mostly all the applicants who are graduating or post graduating, I know their language is English, so they don't have to worry about it. Okay, so